We really just want. Let me just tell them what we're doing.
Right.
We really just wanted to talk about the elements of creating a fun and great shower video. What would you say the key points are?
Yeah, I mean, I think.
Wait. But the setup is that John's the only one who hasn't done it.
Okay, yeah. That's good. I think this is good. I think this is going to be a good thing.
Oh, God. Hey, everybody. So we realized something recently. John is the only person in our company who has not been in one of our shower videos. We think there's something wrong with that, don't you? I've been in the shower video, Kelley's been in the shower video. So we wanted to get together today and discuss the 5 key points to making a great shower video. What's the first point, John?
Well, I mean, just in analyzing all these shower videos, I would say you need a shower.
You need a shower.
Voiceover.
Voiceover.
Yeah.
You have to have someone with an amazing voice talking while you're lathering yourself.
Product placement.
The best shower videos have TAME the BEAST products in them. We can send you some if you want.
What is number 4?
I can't.
Oh, number 4 was emphasize your assets. Emphasize your assets. Kelley put the Beast bottle on her feet.
Her amazing World Cup champion,
Yeah, World Cup
Olympic gold
champion
medalist, FIFA top world 11 feet.
Jay, which side were you, whatever side you're facing, you were kind of that was your your thing. But for me, it's going to be my left bicep. The look.
There's a look. Whatever you're cleaning, there has to be a pleasurable look.
What was the look you gave? Kind of.
Can't.
It's in the moment.
It has to be there. You have to be cleaning it.
I don't know what my look's going to be, but I got to give a look.
Oh, some of you may already have this covered, but you also have to have someone filming you in the shower.
Yeah, I mean, you can't really. Yeah, that makes sense.
Sound awkward.